Today I'm going to show you how to draw ice cream cones in the style of Wayne Thiebaud. In order to do that, we need to use two 3D shapes, a cone and a sphere. A sphere is basically a circle. When an artist draws a 3D shape, to create a sphere, they use a circle. In order to make it look more 3D, they use value, and that's when they add color to the sphere. We will talk about that later. So for now, your sphere can just be a regular circle. A cone is a 3D shape, and it's drawn very simply. It's basically like a triangle that has not a straight line on the bottom, but a curved line. The curved line makes the cone look like it is round. If we were to see the other side, it would look like this. But we can't see through the cone, so it just appears to be the two straight pointed sides and a curved bottom. Now, because we are drawing an ice cream cone, I'm going to draw the cone again upside down so that the ice cream doesn't fall out. So in this case, we would need the letter V with a curve on the top. And there's my opening of my ice cream cone. I'll go over it again later. But a cone is a 3D shape, so we want it to look round, not flat. In order to draw your ice cream cone, you want to start with the cone, and it's upside down. So we'll start with a V, and that oval, stretched out oval on the top. That's the opening of the ice cream cone. Now for the scoops of the ice cream, we're going to use a sphere, which is just a regular old circle. Now I know I can't see through ice cream, so I'm going to erase this line here so I can't see that back part of the cone. Now, ice cream is not a perfect circle, so I'm going to take my sphere and change the shape a little bit to make it a little bit more lumpy, like an ice cream cone would appear on a hot day. Then I take my eraser and I erase what doesn't belong. So the sphere helps me start drawing the shape, but then I correct it to make it look more realistic. I could add another scoop on top with another sphere, and again change the shape a little bit to make it look a little bit more realistic and erase lines that shouldn't appear there anymore. Looking at Wayne Thiebaud's ice cream in this painting, we can see he has 3 cones set up, one vanilla, one that has 3 scoops, and it looks like one mint chocolate chip. How you decorate your ice cream is up to you. You can add cherries. You could add sprinkles. You can even add some texture to the cone to make it look more realistic. This thing is the ice cream holder. You could put your ice cream in a holder, or you could put it wrapped around someone's hand. This is where you can be creative and come up with your own ideas. I'm going to add some texture to my cone, making those lines slightly curved to make it look more 3D on my cone. There, that looks better. Curved lines make things look more rounded. I can add in sprinkles, a cherry on top, maybe some chocolate syrup, and I'm going to go with that ice cream holder. So I need to put 2 lines and erase part of the cone because you wouldn't see that since it's inside of the ice cream holder. Again, there's other options like bringing in your hand or putting a person's face behind the ice cream cone. You get creative and decide what makes your art your art.